Allah says in the Quran, وَالَّذِينَ إِذَا فَعَلُوا فَاحِشَةً أَوْ ظَلَمُوا أَنفُسَهُمْ ذَكَرُوا اللَّهِ. And those who, when they do a dirty, indecent act, or they oppress themselves, meaning you do things that are bad to yourself, ذَكَرُوا اللَّهِ, they remember Allah. وَمَنْ يَغْفِرُ الذُّنُوبَ إِلَّا اللَّهِ فَاسْتَغْفَرُوا لِذُنُوبِهِمْ. And so then they ask Allah to forgive their sins. وَمَنْ يَغْفِرُ الذُّنُوبَ إِلَّا اللَّهِ. Who else forgives sins but Allah? وَلَمْ يُصِرُّوا عَلَى مَا فَعَلُوا وَهُمْ يَعْلَمُونَ. So long as they don't insist, like deliberately, intentionally, to just continue to defy Allah. You may be weak, but intentionally defying Allah is a rebellion nature. So Allah celebrates the fact that when people recognize their sin, they return to Him. So it's not a shame. It's a shameful act, but you are not ashamed. Remorseful is beautiful. And this brother said, I live between hope and fear.